So how to buy Bitcoin on PayPal. So to purchase Bitcoin on PayPal, it's very simple to do. So first things first, you want to open up the PayPal app. And then from there, you just want to go ahead and click on the three lines at the top right here. Once you've done that, it then opens you up to this menu page here, and you simply just want to go ahead and click on crypto. And then from there, it then opens you up to your crypto dashboard, and you'll simply just want to go ahead and select Bitcoin. Then once you've done that, it then opens you up to the Bitcoin market, showing you how much Bitcoin is worth right now. Obviously, the Bitcoin market is quite volatile, so what you see on screen here might differ by the time you're watching this. But to go ahead and buy Bitcoin, you'll just want to go ahead and select on buy right here. Then once you've done that, you just need to input how much Bitcoin you want to buy. So it can be from any amount from £1 up. And for the example of this video, we're going to go with £50. So if you're happy with the price, click continue at the bottom. And then from there, you just need to select which payment method you want to use. So you can either use your PayPal balance or even add a debit card. Then once you've done that, you'll just be asked to review the payment, such as confirming that you're happy with the Bitcoin price, as well as the added fees. So if you're happy with that, click agree and buy. And there you have it. And you've successfully bought Bitcoin on PayPal. And if you go back to your crypto dashboard, you should now see your new balance right at the top. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.